Beyond Vision is an European UAV manufacturer and AI company. We design and build advanced autonomous aircraft and a digital system that allows them to operate in complex and real-world missions.
BV is also a platform that brings together like-minded people to design and develop the technological enablers that will power tomorrow's autonomous systems.
Beyond Vision builds eyes in the sky that makes our world safer and smarter. We turn drones into intelligent decision-making tools through AI, autonomy, and trusted European engineering.
We do as much as possible here in-house. We take great attention to detail. We recently brought into our facilities the ability to produce the carbon frames and carbon structures. And then we do the final assembly here in our facilities in Portugal to make sure that we have a very good quality control system and make sure that every drone that leaves our premises is absolutely up to the test that our customers need it to.
Just 1 year, we grew from 32 to more than 100 employees. Today, we operate across multiple locations, bringing together diverse perspectives, cultures, and ideas. This kind of growth doesn't happen by chance. It happens with passion and courage to build something meaningful. With an ambitious roadmap, we continue to invest in innovation, sustainability, and more importantly, the development of our people.
We basically develop drones for civil and military applications, so it can cover several types of use cases, being it civil security, agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and things like that. And in the military, defense applications like surveillance. So this enables us a very big versatility in what our drones can bring to the customer.
We do it by bringing teams with different backgrounds. At the hardware level, we have deep aerospace engineering working side by side with electrical and electrotechnical engineers. On the firmware, robotics and cloud sides, we combine computer engineering with AI expertise.
We have manufacturing facility in Portugal developing hardware and software technologies aligned with the NATO standards and guidelines.